Once in a small town, there lived a beggar who spent his days sitting at the corner of a busy street, holding out an old bowl in the hope that someone would drop a few coins. He had been sitting in the same place for years, watching people come and go, watching children grow into adults, yet his own life remained stuck in the same miserable state. Every morning, he dragged himself to that corner with the same dull expression, his heart heavy with hopelessness. When he heard the clinking of coins, he felt a moment of relief, but when people passed by without even looking at him, he sank deeper into despair. His clothes were torn, his body weak, and his eyes carried the weight of countless disappointments. He often thought that life was unfair, that destiny had given him nothing but suffering. In his mind, he was powerless, a victim of circumstances with no control over his own future. The world around him was moving forward, yet he was left behind, forgotten by society, surviving only on the pity of strangers. Deep down he wished for change, but he never believed it was possible. To him, hope was nothing more than a cruel dream that could never be real. One evening, as the beggar sat in his usual place, an old wise man came walking down the street. Unlike others who simply passed by, this man stopped and looked at him with calm, thoughtful eyes. The beggar felt uneasy under his gaze and muttered, asking for a coin. Instead of giving him money, the wise man asked gently, "Why do you spend every day waiting for others to feed you? Why don't you try to do something for yourself?" The beggar felt a surge of anger and frustration. He snapped, "What can I possibly do? I am poor, I have nothing, and I am destined to suffer." The wise man only smiled, his voice steady and kind. "You may not have money, but you have something far greater. You have a mind to think, hands to work, and the ability to change your own life. Your problem is not poverty, but the way you think. Change your thoughts, and your life will begin to change." The beggar was silent, confused by these words. For years he had cursed fate, blaming the world, never once believing he had the power to shape his own life. That night, long after the street was empty, the beggar lay awake under the open sky. The wise man's words echoed in his ears, and for the first time, instead of asking why life was so cruel, he asked himself what he could actually do with what little he had. Something inside him stirred, a faint light of possibility he had never felt before. The very next morning, the beggar decided not to sit in his usual corner with the empty bowl. Instead, he gathered his courage and asked a nearby shopkeeper if he could borrow a broom. The shopkeeper, surprised but amused, handed it to him. The beggar began sweeping the street, his hands trembling at first, unsure if he was doing the right thing. Passers-by laughed and mocked him, saying a beggar was still a beggar, but he kept sweeping quietly, determined to try. At the end of the day, the shopkeeper gave him a few coins as a reward for keeping the street clean. It was the first money he had earned with his own effort, and it felt different, it felt powerful. With that money, he bought a small basket of fruits the next morning and started selling them to people on the street. Some ignored him, but others appreciated his effort, and slowly he made a little more than before. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, and the man who once begged for scraps began standing tall with his own small business. Over time, he saved enough to buy a cart and eventually opened a tiny fruit shop. His clothes changed, his face grew brighter, and his eyes, once filled with despair, now reflected determination. The same people who once avoided him now greeted him with respect. He realized that the old wise man was right all along. His life did not change by waiting for charity, it changed the moment he changed his way of thinking. What once seemed impossible became reality, simply because he dared to believe in himself and take the first small step.